Hello, good evening, good evening, good evening. And it is a very good evening. Yes, another away win by 5+. First time in Prem history we've done that, or anyone's done that 3 times on the spin. 31 goals, Rance. Since Jan, 6 less than Man United have scored all season. And yeah, man, we're flying. 29 scored. I even celebrated. I've become a top mutant, bruv. What are you saying?
Must be nice, bro. Must be nice, bruv. When I saw you lot just banging them goals in, I was like, loudest, man. Do you know what I mean? Like, just it's nonsense, bro. Really, innit? Like, I can't even hate, bruv. It's dead. Like, this is what happens when your team's scoring goals and you're winning, bro. It's a good time to be alive, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's a good time to be alive, man. Sheffield United are a disgrace, though, man. Disgraceful football team, bro. I can't believe it, bro. These men have just come up here. They ain't even made half an effort to do nothing, and they're just gonna get sent back down, man. They suck, man.
Mate, they're worse than Derby. I said this on my stream last night. I remember Derby in the Premier League. At least they had a go. Like, do you know what I mean? They had to get pammed and didn't get many points, lowest points ever. But mate, this team are awful. Yeah, and like 16 minutes gone, we're 3-0 up. Their fans are leaving, and then they hook off Norwood. And it's like, what are you going to do? Why are you subbing him off? You've lost the game already. Why their fans were leaving was mad. It's the best football they're going to see all year.
Bruv, but this is what I mean. It's like, the thing is, yeah, the fans leaving now, but I don't know, innit? I don't know anything about their fans. Have they held them accountable for the lack of ambition that they've shown when they went up? Like, has there been protests? Has there been anything? I don't know. Do you know what I mean?
Bro, they got promoted, sold 2 of their best players, one to Burnley, and spent about 15 million.
So they sold one of their best players, yeah, to a rival, yeah, that was gonna be challenging against them to keep a place in the Premier League.
Yep.
And their fans didn't protest, they didn't do nothing, and then they want to walk out now. Bro, Lee should have seen this coming. What did you think he was gonna do in this league?
Yeah, facts. Like, I've got a top mutant trying to attack me in mosquito form. Yeah, mate, they're a disgrace. They're an absolute disgrace. The thing is, listen, not everyone's panned them 5, 6s, and 7s and 8s. I think Newcastle scored 8. I think they've conceded 5+ about 4 times. So it's not like everyone's going in and slapping them. Yeah, but they are crap. Absolutely crap. And the manager just stood in the touchline, just going like this all game. Like, mate, does he inspire you? But anyway, F them, man. Yeah, F them. I hope they get relegated. Well, they are getting relegated. I hope they get relegated again. Yeah, they deserve nothing. And do you know what? I don't know any Sheffield United fans. Yeah, but I remember their manager came out and was moaning about referees and VAR, not the one now, the previous manager. And it was like, mate, why didn't you have a go at the board? Yeah, we're not giving you any money. You were just basically a sitting duck. Like you were going to get sacked. Yeah, it's pathetic. Absolutely pathetic, that club, man. Yeah, and like at least Luton are having a go or trying to have a go. Like, so that's why people are giving them praise, I suppose, because at least they're having a go and they're making themselves harder to beat. But this team will bend over for everyone, man. It is embarrassing, bro. But F them, man. Like, we were unreal. Yeah, and after seeing, we obviously come to the United game in a bit, but after seeing Man City win at the weekend, having seen Liverpool score a 99th minute winner, we had to go out there with all that pressure on us to keep ourselves in it. Yeah, and bro, from the first minute, man, Declan Rice block shot, Saka hits the bar, Martinelli has it knocked off the line, and then Odegaard, bang, goal. Yeah, no, after that, and I said this in the podcast with the lads, I said it's going one of 2 ways. We're either going to score early and they fold, or they're just going to park the bus and we're going to struggle and get a 1-0 or a 2-0. 15, 16 minutes gone. I was like, feet up, cigar out. This is right, bro.
Battered them, bro. But this is what you want your team to do. Like, you just want your team to make rubbish teams look rubbish. Like, what more could you ask for? Do you know what I mean? Because that's what they're supposed to do. Make rubbish teams look rubbish, bro. So yeah, man, those are the kind of performances you want. And it looks like you're getting a little run of form in the Premier League. Do you know what I mean? Obviously, having a favorable run of games is always helpful, but you still have to win them.
Yeah, facts, mate. It's like watching Arsenal between 02 and 04. The way we're just going out there and just going bang, game over, taking the game away from teams inside 15 minutes. We've done this quite a few times this season, not just in this one, but we've done it against Lons as well. I think we were 4 or 5-0 up in 24 minutes in that game. When we can turn it on, and we're the best team in the league right now. But the mad thing is we're still third. It's like we're winning all these games. It's jarring, man. Just seeing them two still above us, but they play each other at the weekend. So one, if not both, are dropping points. But then after that, we've got Man City. And if Man City win both of them games, that's the title done.
Yeah, but then you got to go away to Man City. You got to go away to Spurs. Have you got Liverpool away? You got us away as well.
No, we've played Liverpool. We've played Liverpool.
Okay, you've played Liverpool. You got us away as well. You got bare away games. And as shit as we are, when we play you lot, we always turn up at home. So, do you know what I mean? You've got some tough away fixtures at the business end of the season that you don't want.
Yeah, mate. We got Tottenham second last away game, then we've got you the last away game. We've got City away. Yeah, there's some tough games in there, man. We still got to play Aston Villa. That's at home, though. Still got Brighton away. So, yeah, we've got some tough games. But the fact that we're still in there and we're looking good right now, and the intensity yesterday, even when we were 4-0 up, it was like, come on, let's go and get 5. Let's go and get 6. We could have had 10, 11, 12. It was embarrassing for them, man. But we had some great performance. Odegaard yesterday, unplayable, man. That's one of the best games I've seen him play. But I expect us to play like that against
Sheffield United. 100%. That's what
at
you
the
want.
Same time over the years, we haven't. And that's why I was impressed.
That's all you want from your team, bro. Like I seen us that when we play Burnley, we were getting popped by Burnley. And it's like when you play against these teams, you want to absolutely cook them. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't matter. It's all well and good saying we won the game, but when you play against teams like Sheffield United, Burnley, and stuff like that, yeah, it's not about just winning the game. It's how you win. That does matter.
Yeah, and I want to see every player perform. And yesterday they did that. Yeah, they've been doing that pretty much in this run since January. Right, every single player, even 29 yesterday. Like he was quality yesterday. That was one of his best games for us. Yeah, and he took his goal well as well. The way that guy manhandled Martinelli was hilarious, though. You see, he just grabbed him and launched him, just dashed him. Like, get out of the way. It was like, yeah, you want to rough us up? Cool, 29 scoring, bro. What are you saying now? Yeah, we were brilliant. Declan Rice yesterday, like him and Odegaard in that first half were unplayable, man. Nobody could get near him.
And then, you are playing with a lot of confidence right now.
The thing I liked about it,
take that into the Porto game.
See, that's what I was going to say. The thing I liked about yesterday, yeah, is even when they were trying to get out of their box, yeah, they were so crap, but we were so good, yeah, because every time they tried to get out of the box, our centre backs were in the middle of their half. They couldn't get out. Yeah, and the one time they got through, keeper saved it. It was offside anyway. So it's like no shots on target again against us. I think we've conceded 7 shots on target in our last 7 games. Like that's just relentless, man. I don't think I've seen that before.
That's amazing defensively.
Yeah, every single one of them. Is it any coincidence we ain't got Zinchenko in the team who can defend? No Jesus. He came on yesterday. He always looks off balance, bro. I don't know what he was doing yesterday. He could have had a couple of goals. But yeah, Ben White's goal was sick as well. Again, 29, great first touch. Second touch killed him. Laid it off. Ben White with a great finish.
Last time you lot played them, though, I swear Nketiah scored a hat-trick, and I saw you put 5 past them anyway. So, do you know what I mean? You like playing these lot. You know what I'm saying? You
we've banged 11 past them in 2 games.
That's what I mean. Nketiah hat-tricks and that. So, but you know what you lot are on already. So, it's... Bro, it's just good to see a team playing good football and winning games, isn't it? It's the same when I see City... When I see City, it's the same. Like when I see City playing good football and winning games, yeah, rivalry aside, it's just good to finally see good football because most of the football that man sees is just dead, bruv. Do you know what I mean? So the way you man dispatched of them, like fair enough. Do you know what I mean? Not too much can be said about that.
Nah, it's good, man. It is good. I'm enjoying it at the minute. But see, everyone said it on Sky yesterday. It goes, it means nothing unless they're holding the trophy at the end of the season.
It doesn't, but that's the only negative thing you can say in it. Back to reality, like none of these things matter if you don't put in these performances against the guys that you're challenging for the league against. If you go up against Liverpool or Man City and you go and roll over, then all of these performances mean absolutely nothing. Zilch, bruv.
And then it'll come back to the fact that we were controlling games. Yeah, when we went 1-7, no, we weren't controlling games. This is controlling games. Yeah, going out there and blitzing the team inside 15 minutes. Then we took Saka off at half time. We take Declan Rice off. We took Ben White off again. And it's like resting the players up. That's controlling games. Yeah, because if you're still playing 96 minutes with your first 11 on the pitch, you've not controlled anything. Like it's just you've not won the game. You're still trying to press for the winner in stoppage time because you haven't controlled the game. Yeah, controlling the game is what we're doing right now. Absolutely battering everyone. And so I don't think I've ever seen Saka subbed at half time unless he's been injured. Right, and it was he looked fuming on the bench, but I like that. I like it when the players upset they're not playing. Yeah, it keeps them on grounded and like wanting to prove they can go another level. Yeah, he was really good yesterday as well, Saka. The amount of times he sent that left back to the shop, mate, was crazy. Like literally, just cooked him every time he got the ball. And it weren't even like he did some mad skill to get round him. He just dropped a shoulder and the guy just went over there. It was like, mate, are you really that crap? Yeah, I genuinely reckon I could get in that Sheffield United team.
They didn't.
I guarantee I'm fitted enough for them.
They didn't defend. They didn't defend well, man. They didn't defend well, but you didn't give them any room to breathe, innit? It's just one of them ones. That's how you got to deal with teams like that, because they can nick a set piece, get confident. You have to absolutely just batter these people. You know what I mean? So
thanks. Well, big up Saeed in the chat as well. Make sure you sub to Saeed's channel, people. Yeah, and yeah, the goal comparison, Saeed. 31 goals since January, 31 in 7. Man U 37 in what 27.
Yeah, but it's not even just the goal. How many goals is the style of goals? You know what Arsenal goal looks like because you score the same kind of goals all the time. Man United are relying on individuals to do something out of the blue. Do you know what I mean? To win games, bruv. Do you know what I mean? Or McTominay coming off the bench. Like, it's a disgrace, man. It's a disgrace what we have to put up with. And yet there's still people defending this manager, bro. I can't for the life of me fathom why you would want him to stay unless you're an op, bruv, and you support the other team. Because why would you support Man United and still be supporting this manager?
So especially if you've grown up seeing trophies, makes no sense. Big up to De Niro as well. Free super chats, man. Appreciate it, bro. Used to be a banana skin game, but in honesty, we should wipe the floor with teams like Sheffield. Keep this energy for City Spurs. Exactly. And the league will be ours. If we beat Man City, I think we'll win it. But I don't know. I think they're beatable as well. Yeah, Man City are beatable.
City are beatable, but the problem is, yeah, the way you play, they'll beat you, because the way to beat Man City is to hit them on the break and sit deep. And you're not going to do that. You're going to try and play football. And when you do that, there's going to be spaces. They'll find them. This is just what it is. They've got more quality than you in attacking areas. And that's where it's going to matter. Like, honestly, I think Arsenal's biggest problem with City is stylistically. That's it.
Yeah, and the thing is, Man City are so patient as well. They can just turn it on. I mean, we'll come to Man United in a sec. Foden was just a joke. The way he just glides past people was just ridiculous. But yeah, it's mad. And yeah, this is a crazy stat as well from that game yesterday. Saliba completed 169 passes. That's 25 more than Sheffield United's whole team. He's our centre-back completing more passes than all of their players combined.
So they're getting popped. That's what I mean. Now, that's mad.
They're a disgrace. Do you know what? They should have just forfeited the game at 3-0. They should have just walked off the pitch. It would have stayed at 3-0, wouldn't it?
Jesus, man.
Shambles, mate. Absolute shambles.
That's what dominance looks like.